What's up guys, I'm Andrew Kim and I'm going to be your ASB president this coming year.
Hi, I'm Charlize and I will be your ASB vice president.
We're going to be your tour guides today and show you around Gunn's campus.
Due to the unusual circumstances, we won't be able to show you around Gunn campus in person yet, which is why we've decided to make this a virtual tour instead.
Whether you're an incoming freshman looking to see what we have on campus for the first time, or someone that's just missing Gunn, we hope you enjoy this tour. Our first stop is the football field, home to the Gunn Titans football team. The field is currently under construction as the turf is being replaced. In addition to the football team, you'll also find our track and field, soccer, and lacrosse teams practicing here. For those of you who don't play sports, you'll probably get to know this field through PE, homecoming games, and eventually graduation. In the case of a fire drill or an evacuation, all students must report to the football field and line up on the track with their B period class. For those of you who have a B period prep, there will be a teacher holding the prep sign, usually around the near end of the field. Located next to the football field is Titan Gym. Constructed in 2013, this is the newest gym on campus. A few of the big events that happen in this gym include the fall, winter, and spring sports rallies, and the homecoming night rally. Some of the sports that take place in Titan Gym are basketball, cheer, and volleyball. Titan Gym also has a weight room, which is used by our sports team and PE classes. Surrounding Titan Gym, you'll find various sports facilities, including a baseball field, softball field, tennis courts, and outdoor basketball courts. These are used by the respective sports team and often for PE as well. The other gym on campus is Bhave Gym. This gym holds the 2 PE locker rooms, which are located on the left and right-hand sides. Bhave Gym is used for many of our dances, the ping pong tournament, and sports such as badminton. Located in between Titan Gym, Bhave Gym, and the football field is a swimming pool. The pool is used by our dive, swim, and water polo teams. Our next stop is the Village Portables. The Village is adjacent to the back end of the parking lot and is home to many classes including the sciences, social studies, living skills, and self. You can also find a recently developed makerspace in one of the portables.
Moving to the central part of the campus, we have the Grass Amphitheater, more commonly referred to as the Freshman Quad. Right in front of the Freshman Quad is the Studio Theater, formerly known as the Little Theater. This is the smaller theater on campus and is used for theater classes and performances. Next, we have the N building. This building consists of 2 floors. The first floor houses our English classes and the second floor houses our math classes. You can also find the English and math department offices in rooms N100 and N200 on their respective floors. In front of the N building, we have the Art or the M building. Most of our art electives such as art spectrum, ceramics, drawing, and painting are located here. Moving on, we have the L building, which is home to several career and technical education classes such as auto, GRT, and video. The L building also has a couple of our science classes. Moving on, we have the Spangenberg Theater, the larger theater on campus. Many of our assemblies, performing arts concerts, and performances take place here. Adjacent to the Spangenberg Theater, we also have connecting classrooms for band, choir, and orchestra. Next, we have the Student Activity Center, also known as the SAO or SAC. Here, you can buy dance tickets, bus passes, balloons for a friend's birthday, hot cocoa, Gunn merch, yearbooks, and so much more. This center opens at the beginning of lunch and closes half an hour after school, so you'll have plenty of time to drop by and ask questions. For those student leaders out there, you can come to the SAO for information on how to get involved in student government and how to join the Student Executive Council, or SEC. This is also the place where you can find club information such as how to start a club and the schedule of when all the clubs meet. So if you have any questions about school-wide activities and events, this is your place.
On the second floor of this building, we have the counseling office where you can meet your counselor for conferences or get a copy of your transcript. You can also visit the College and Career Center here, where Mrs. Kirsch, Ms. Compton, and Mr. Lang can answer questions regarding your post-high school plans. Also located on the second floor is the Wellness Center. This is a welcoming space for all students to learn and discuss various topics. The Wellness Center offers many free services for your physical health, individual or group counseling, and peer-led programs. Personally, I come here just to lounge and enjoy some free snacks when I'm feeling stressed. Additionally, in the Wellness Center, there's counseling and support service for youth. Here, you can meet mental health therapists who are available for free individual and group counseling to discuss things such as homework stress, family issues, and even social drama. Please see your school counselor for a referral. Counselors are also available for drop-in crisis supports. Right across this building, we have the Senior Quad. This is an open space where SEC hosts lunch and after-school events throughout the year. The fall and spring club fairs and homecoming activities are also held here. Next, we have the G and H buildings, which is where all the world language classes are located. You can also find the World Language Lab in room G5. Right next to the World Language Building is the J building. This building houses most of our sciences such as biology, physics, chemistry, and more.
Moving on to the other edge of campus, there's a library for you to check out tons of books. Mr. Gill is our librarian and he will be available for any questions you have. You can also reserve a study room, borrow tech equipment such as cameras and mics, and reserve tech spaces in the library. On most days, it is open before, during, and after school. Keep in mind, there is no eating or gaming in the library, but there's a space right outside called the Acorn Lounge where you can enjoy your lunch. Right next to the library is the Academic Center, a quiet place where you can study with friends, borrow textbooks, and also sign up to be a peer tutor or arrange for peer tutoring. Next to the Academic Center is the Testing Resource Center, also known as a TRC. Teachers use this space for makeup tests and quizzes. At the front of the school is the main office. Our principal, Ms. Stratton, and our 4 assistant principals' offices are located here. The nurse's office, lost and found storage, lunch drop-off, and staff mailboxes are also located in the main office. Attached to the main office is the attendance office, where you can adjust attendance errors and find forms for teacher corrections or warranted absence forms for long-term absences that need approval. You can also find the work permit office located near the attendance office. Our last stop is the Food Services and Cafe, which is open during brunch and lunch for meals and snacks.
And that wraps up our tour. We hope you got a good sense of what our campus is like, and welcome to Gunn High School.
We are so excited to meet all of you, and if you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact your Titan ambassador, any teacher, or any upperclassman. I'm sure they'd be happy to give you more information.